Para kanino ka bumabangon?
Laban lang. Palalampasan din natin to.
So, dapat matutulog na talaga ako. Pero may pinapagawa pa kasi si Tin. So, kailangan namin manalo ng mga pagkain. So, to answer the question...
Wake the fuck up!
So, to answer the question, of course, grateful ako kasi buo pa yung family ko. Meron akong maayos na bahay na nauuwian. And may work ako. Pero, inspired ako pumasok sa work kasi marami akong bayarin. Ayan, binabayaran ko pa yan. Tapos itong mga aso na yan, nakatakaw kumain. Pati yung rep, binabayaran ko pa yan. Sino bang hindi may inspire pumasok sa work? And ito yung family ko. Ayun lang, bye-bye!
Hey, what up? What am I grateful for? Of course, may trabaho tayo, kasama ang pamilya. And what inspires me to go to work is, of course, Meralco #1. Lahat tayo mayroon nito. And syempre, gusto ko lang makita si Blue araw-araw. Peace out.
Hello. What am I grateful for? Grateful ako na meron akong trabaho dahil, of course, nakakakuha ako ng pera. At what inspires me to go to work? Sahod. Charis. Very grateful ako to have people around me na very supportive. I love you guys so much. So, what inspires me to go to work? Yeah, bukod sa sahod, I think pambiling cat food. Tsaka ng cat litter. Mahal eh. Mas mahal pa kasi sa bigas. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, so what I'm grateful for, all the blessing, especially the work and the family. What motivates me to go to work? Syempre bills, and I have a family to support, and the environment. Yun lang.
Kung tayo talaga
Eme.
Oh, gulat ka, no?
Gulat ka, no? Gulat ka, no?
Well, to answer your question, Miss Tin, I'm grateful kasi nag-work ako ngayon sa Optum. And isa sa account ko is pinakamadaling account as of now na in-offer ni Optum, which is Disney. And ang dali ng account na yun. Well, also, I'm grateful kasi may pambayad ako ng mga bills ko, right? And I love working with Optum. And what inspires me to go to work is the vision that I have for my family and for myself, and also for my job. Diba? Ang bilis. Well, sa Giant, don't worry. Anyways, anong oras no? Baka malit ako. Ma-issuean pa ako ni Miss Ching ng NTE. So, see you there.
Here are some reasons that you need to work hard.
Rent's due, phone's due, Wi-Fi's due, the lights are due. Somebody baby probably due. Shit, Scooby-Dooby-Doo.